Let's start out with today's topic, lines and angles. So here we are having few important questions. So let's start with first question here. One of the angle is equal to 3 times its supplementary angle. Find the measure of angle. So first question is given. One of the angle of the triangle is 3 times of its supplementary. So it is given. One of the angle of triangle or one of the angle is 3 times its supplementary. We need to find angle. So here we'll consider let angles be angle be x. Therefore, it's a supplementary angle. So as we are calculating supplementary angle, always the sum of supplementary angles is 180. So supplementary angles, there are two like if two angles are making supplementary pair, means the sum is 180. If one angle is x, its supplementary will be 180 minus x. As it is given, they are supplementary. Now, as per question, it is given one of the angle is 3 times of its supplementary. So, x is 3 times of its supplementary. Then we'll have multiplication. 18 3s are 54. Then 3 multiplied by x is 3x. Now shift this 3x like linear equation towards left. Shifting minus 3x towards left, it will be plus 3x is equal to 540. 3 plus 1, 4x. 4x is 540. So value of x is 540 divided by 4. 4 1s are, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So we got x to be 135. One of the angle is 3 times of its supplementary. Find the measure of angle. So if one angle will be 135, its supplementary will be 180 minus 135. So it's 45. So this is how we can solve this kind of questions. Now let's start out with next question. Here in second question, it is given two complementary angles. Two complementary angles are such that 2 times the measure of one is equal to 3 times the measure of other. So here two complementary angles are there. Now condition is given, out of these two complementary angles, one is 2 times the measure of 1. 2 times 1 is 3 times other. So how we are going to solve it? 2 times 1. So we'll consider let angles be x and 90 minus x. As it is given complementary pair, when the sum is 90, we call it as complementary pair. Now the next condition, it's given 2 times 1 is 3 times of other. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 3 times of other. Repeating once again, here it is given two complementary angles and condition is 2 times 1 is 3 times of other. Find the angles. So we'll consider let the angles be x and 90 minus x. As it is given, they are complementary angles. So we'll make it 90 minus x. As per the condition, 2 times of first angle. So 2 multiplied by x is equal to 3 times of next angle. That is 90 minus x. Now 2x, open out bracket, 93s are 270 minus 3x. Now shifting x together, so we'll shift 3x towards left. Thus it will be 2x plus 3x is equal to 270. Now 2 plus 3, 5. 5x is 270. Thus the value of x is 270 upon 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. So complementary angle is 54. Now we got one as 54. Therefore the second angle will be 90 minus 54. 36. So as their MCQs, we are going to choose that which answer is belonging to the given set of the solutions. So either it can be 54 or 36. Now let's move to the next question. Here it is given in the next question, a straight line two straight lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. So two straight lines are there, AB and CD. They intersect each other at O. If AOC plus BOC plus BOD is 274, AOC, it's given AOC plus BOC plus BOD is 274. We need to find value of angle AOD. So this kind of questions are very easy. If we add all the angles together, they are making a circle. So sum of all angles of two intersecting line will be 360, out of which 3 angles are given. So yeah, AOC is given, BOC is given, BOD is given. They're asking for the fourth one. Sum of all angles in circle 360. So AOC plus BOC plus BOD and AOD, it's 360, out of which these 3 values are given. It's 274. We need to find third one, which is AOD, is 360. Now AOD will be 360 minus 274. Thus it will be 6, 15 minus 7, 8, 86. Now next question is given, two straight lines AB and CD cut each other at O. Fourth question, two straight lines AB and CD, they cut each other at point O. If BOD is 63, what is the value of BOC? So this BOC we need to find out. Are you getting clearly? Sarath, is it clear to you? If two intersecting lines are there. If they intersect each other, if there is a straight line, it will make a linear pair. And linear pair is always 180. So here angle BOD plus angle BOC is 180. This we call linear pair, out of which one is given 63. We need to find BOC. BOD it's 63. Angle BOC we need to calculate. So BOC is 180 minus 63. Now subtract them. So final answer is 117. Now in the next question, it's given POR is 3x and QOR is 2x plus 10 if POQ is a straight line. So in this question, it's given POQ. Why are you getting disconnected? Again and again. POQ is a straight line. POR, so it's given POR is 3 times of is 3x. So let R be a point. POR, it's given 3x and QOR is given 2x plus 10. We need to find the value of x. So the question is find x. So how are we going to calculate this? As they are making linear pair, so sum of the angles will be 180. 3x plus 2x plus 10, it's 180 as they are making linear pair. Now 2x plus 3x, it's 5x plus 10 is 180. 5x will be 180 minus 10, so it's 170. Thus the value of x will be 170 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So value of x is 34. This is how we calculated x. Now in the next question, here the figure is given. Are you getting any difficulties there? AOB is a straight line and points C and D is there on the ray. Okay, these are the sums related to lines and angle. Here the value of AOB is given and this AOC and BOD is given 85. AOC plus BOD. Sum of these two angles is given 85. Angle AOC plus BOD is 85. We need to find what is the value of COD. For this kind of questions, always in a straight line, sum of the angles we call linear pair, or here they are making straight angle. If only two angles will be there, we call it as linear pair. As here total 3 angles are there, we call it as straight angle. Why are you getting disconnected again and again? Here, sum of these two angles is given 85. We need to find third one, middle one. So how we will calculate it? Sum of all the three will be 180. So AOC plus BOD plus DOC or COD. All the three angles, it's 180. And we are going to write the statement straight angle. If only two angles will be there, we call it as linear pair. As total three angles are there, so we call it as straight angle. And out of that, these two angles are given 85. So we are going to replace this by 85. We need to find COD value. So what will be the value of COD? We'll shift 85 towards right. COD, it's 180 minus 85. So it is 95. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Is it clear? Or still you want me to explain again? No response. Question number 8. X, Y and Z is given. Again they are making straight angle. So the sum will be 180. Here it is given Y upon X is equal to 5 and Z upon X is equal to 4. We need to find the value of X. So how we are going to solve this? We'll have cross multiplication. Y is equal to 5x and Z will be equal to 4 multiplied by x, 4x. Now as I told, angles are making straight angle. So x plus y plus z will be 180. The reason is straight angle. So it was given x, y and z. Condition is given y upon x is 5, z upon x is 4. We need to find the value of x. We'll have cross multiplication where y is equal to 5x and z is equal to 4x. As it is a straight angle, x plus y plus z will be 180. Replace y with 5x, z with 4x. As z is 4x, is 180. If we add them all together, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Total is 10x. 10x is 180. So the value of x will be 180 divided by 10. So zeros will get cancelled. Final answer is 18. This is how we calculated angle. Now the next question is, here it is given. Diagram is in this way where it is given 132 and middle angle is given 148. We need to find this x. So how to calculate this? Whenever you will be getting such kind of questions, there will be construction where you need to draw a straight line in between. So in this straight line, this line, it's not like the line will be dividing the angle in exactly two halves. Here it is 132. Sum of interior angles is always 180. So whenever there is any straight line, these two angles are interior angles. And I know this question you was having. So all these are from your book only, but I'm solving this from another book which I'm having. Okay, now 132. So this, it's not like 148 will get exactly divided into two equal halves. So here 132 is there. You need to find what is the corresponding angle of that. So 180 minus 132. Thus it is 48. So this angle is 48. You got this to be 48. So remaining angle, the down one will be 100. If you know corresponding angle property, if two lines are there, the angle which is below the line or angle which is above the line is called corresponding angle. So here these two angles are making corresponding pair. This is 100. Here two parallel lines are there. This is transversal and both the angles are below the line. So their measurement will be equal. Therefore, x is equal to 100. We'll write the reason as corresponding angle. Once again explaining you, it was given 132, it was given 148. First, we'll draw a straight line. Sum of the two interior angles is 180. So subtract 132 from 180, you'll be getting this upper half. If you subtract that upper half from 148, you'll be getting the lower half. That is 148 minus 48. This we got 48. So this lower half is 100. This lower half and again the lower half, they are making corresponding angles. And corresponding pairs are equal. So both the angles are 100. Is it clear? Is it clear? Let's start with one more question. So here in the next question, two parallel lines are there. There is a transversal and then this angle is given 125. We need to find this value x. Do you have any idea how to solve it? As this is a perpendicular line, so we have a straightforward question here. There is a formation of Z. You can see here Z formation. So as Z formation is there, we call this as alternate angle. If I'll consider this to be angle 1, angle 1 plus x is 125. Reason is they are making alternate angle, out of which one is given 90. As it is perpendicular, so this will also be perpendicular. So x is 125 minus 90. Is it clear, sir? Understood? Now coming to next question. So this I want answer from you. It's given 70. This is 30. We need to find the value of x. Can you solve it? Can you solve it? Or you want me to explain? Say fast. Will you try or you want me to explain this? Okay. Always we need to find out where the straight lines are there. So these two are straight lines. If we extend them, This line is transversal. Out of these two straight lines, this angle and this angle is below the line. Get clear like what we call corresponding angles. If any transversal is there, angles which are below the line are called corresponding angle. So these two angles are corresponding angles. If I'll write one over here, so it will be corresponding angle. Angle 1 is equal to 70. Reason, corresponding angle. If 1 is 70, if I'll consider this to be 2, they are making linear pair. So their total will be 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2, or we can directly say like in the triangle there is exterior angle. So this is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Instead of calculating 2, we can do directly. Angle 1 is equal to 30 plus x. Reason is exterior angle, very good. Exterior angle is equal to opposite sum of opposite interior angles. Here, 1 we need to find out. So 1 we got 70. Okay, 110 will not come. 70 is equal to 30 plus x. So this we got 70. 70 is 30 plus x. So x will be shifting 30 that side. So it's 70 minus 30. Okay, you might have calculated this 110. So this we got answer directly. X 40. So this I did by exterior angle method. Very good. Okay, this I did by exterior angle methods, and that way you can calculate it. Now coming to the next question. So the same type question, one more. Two parallel lines are there. The transversal is there. This is given 65. Next, a line is there. This is x and this one is 40. Can you find x by your own? Can you find x by your own? Or you want me to explain? Will you solve it by your own? Okay, you're feeling it difficult? See here, always check out like is there any Z formation or F formation. If there is F formation, like this I told, corresponding angle. If there is Z formation, they are alternate angle. You need to search for that. So here there is a Z formation. If we'll consider this to be angle 1, angle 1 will be equal to 65 as their alternate angle. 1 is equal to 65. Now you got these two angles. In the triangle, if we know the two angles, this is exterior angle, and already it is explained to you, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior. Wherever the exterior angle is there, there you need to close. Remaining two angles will be some of the remaining two angles will be answer for it. So x is equal to 1 plus 40. 1 is 65. 65 plus 40. So the answer is 105. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, so one more question. So this I feel like the last question which you may solve after attending many questions. This is given 3y. This one is given x plus 15. And this is given 2y plus 25. What is the relation between these two angles? Can you say the relation between these two angles? Can you say the relation between these two angles? They're equal. Reason I'm asking why they're equal. Which type of angles they are? So there is a formation of Z. They're called alternate angles. They're equal as they are alternate. Very good. So here 3y is equal to 2y plus 25. Reason alternate angle. I'll be shifting y that side. 3y minus 2y is 25. Now y is 25. We got the value of y. Now these two angles are making corresponding pair. Both are below the line. Okay. They're asking find the value of x. So we'll make these two equal. 3y is equal to x plus 15. So 3 multiplied by 25 is x plus 15. 25 3s are 75. It's x plus 15. So x is 75. Shifting 15 that side. So it's minus 15. So answer is 60. Value of x is 60. Is it clear? Is it clear? So this will be completed. I'll be sending few questions to you as a work. So I'll send few questions. You solve and keep them ready for tomorrow. Okay. Now I'll be completing the class. Good night.